David Wayne Ferguson. I thought I'd better get on here, do a little short video on September 25th. Uh, Over $3,000 worth of guns was stolen from me, and I reported them to the state police. They have all the information, and nothing's ever become of it. Well, on Friday the 13th, December 13th, last Friday, I went to the doctor at Louisville, and the one gun that the police gave me back, um, I guess they didn't deem me a danger to myself or anybody else, but they returned one of my guns, and the number on that gun is 357788. Well, I took it with me to Louisville to a doctor's appointment. Of course, I didn't take it in the doctor's office, but last Saturday, I remembered it was getting cold weather, and I thought, oh, I left that out there. And I went and I looked. It wasn't there. And I waited around, and I said, well, I'll look more. Maybe it slipped down the seat or something like that. It's gone. People know where I'm at every second of every day. Once again, the number on now the one that I did have, the one that they gave me back, it's missing now. And I may get over to Lexington Police and report it. But the number on the gun is 357788. And I don't know. I just thought maybe I better just do a video file here, and you know, for the public, since nothing become of the others that I've reported stolen. Um, okay. Well, if you happen to see that particular gun with that number on it, um, just get in touch with your local police. They'll get in touch with me, I'm sure. David Wayne Ferguson. Thank you very much.